So I was trying to reset the maintenance service life for the Mercedes GL550 2014. So what I did was I watched some YouTube and it said to come into the car, press the button one time. Okay, you get this, so make sure it's on the mileage thing, right? So I did that, but I saw that if I press the down key button and then press the right button, you could see on the menu down there kind of start, see, so it keeps scrolling, navigation, audio, can't see, hang on, let me see that menu comes up. So press the right button, this button, right, this button right here. Okay, so you actually have a service, right, and you can get to that Sys Plus, but when you click on here it doesn't work, it won't allow you to reset it. Okay, so now let's go back all the way back to this mileage thing, right? So I just press the return button here. Okay, so in order to do the reset, here's what you need to do. Okay, so you need to press, zoom out, you need to press this this button, the phone button, and then the OK button, and just hold it until you see the assist plus comes up. Okay, so I can't show you both things, so I'm just going to put this to show the screen. So pressing the phone, OK key, holding it. Okay, see that comes up. Scroll down, assist plus. Okay, down, full service. Okay, full service. Yes, so if you do like oil change and things like that, so this is what you'll do. Okay, reset, yes. So in my case, you'll see that it cannot reset the whole thing because I have a check engine light on. Okay, confirm. Clicks OK. See, I have this error because I have a check engine light, I think. Otherwise, for you, if you just want to check the reset, the maintenance service light, it should work. Okay, again, the phone button and then the OK button, just hold it. Okay, and then you'll get to that menu.